This is the split stitch or the split back stitch. We're going to pull up our floss through the end of the line, and then we're going to start the same way we started our back stitch. We're going to go one stitch length forward. Okay, then we're going to come up half a stitch length. So if this is a full stitch, we're aiming to come up about here. Okay, and then bring your floss through. Now to split the back stitch, instead of sharing this hole, we're going to bring our needle down in the middle of the stitch. And if you can imagine how our floss has multiple threads, so our goal is to split this and have threads on each side of where we're taking our needle down. So we're going to press in and pull through. And then the next one, we're going to come up again, half a stitch length forward. And as you're splitting this, you should be where this stitch ended. So we're going to go halfway, press through, and pull through. Do you see how it's given us a little pattern? So again, we're going to move half a stitch length from the end of this. Then taking this stitch, we're going to go halfway and then split it and go through.